Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to import and export passwords into Google Chrome. A situation where this might be necessary is, let's say you work in an office that has many online accounts and passwords and a coworker is leaving for another job, but their workstation already has all those accounts and passwords saved on it. You would probably want to export out those passwords from Google Chrome so that you could then import them onto another workstation. Google Chrome allows you to log in with a Google account to sync passwords online across workstations, but the method I'm going to show you today does not rely on any of those features. All you need is to be using Google Chrome as your default browser where your passwords are saved. Alright, let's get started. First, how to export passwords. In Google Chrome, go to the top right of the window and click the three dots. Scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to underneath Autofill and click on Passwords. Here in the Passwords settings menu, we want to look at Saved Passwords, and to the right of that there's three dots. If you click those three dots and click on Export Passwords, a box will pop up warning you that your passwords will be visible to anyone who can see this exported file. It is a good idea to delete this file once you're done with it and have re-imported these passwords into Google Chrome or some other place. Once you click on Export Passwords, you will have to enter your workstation password. This is not your Google account or any other password, but the password you use to unlock your computer or workstation at the beginning of each day. Choose where you want to save your password. What is downloaded is a CSV file. This is a comma-separated value file and can be opened by any text editor, but can also be edited in Excel. I'm going to open this with just text edit, just to view it. The CSV file is formatted with 4 columns: name, URL, username, and password. The first one is just the short name for this saved password. The second column, URL, is the actual URL saved to enter this password. The fourth item, username, is the username you use to log in, and the last one is the password you use to log in. Now I will show you how to import passwords into Google Chrome. This is not as straightforward and the question that most people will have. First, go to the same area we were before, go to the three dots on the top right, and go down to Settings, click on Passwords. And if you don't have any passwords saved yet in Google Chrome, you will need to save at least one password. So go ahead and do that, and then we can get started. So I went ahead and saved a password. Now you can see I have twitter.com saved with my login and password. What we want to do then is go to Saved Passwords right above here, click on the three dots, and then right-click on Export Passwords, and then go down to Inspect. This will open the console editor. The item we just right-clicked on will be highlighted. You'll see that it says Button ID Menu Export. We want to look at the item right above that, Button ID Menu Import. And in there's a word hidden. Double-click on that word. Click Delete on your keyboard to get rid of that word. So now I'm going to go over here to Saved Passwords. Click on the three dots and click on Import. The import option will now be present since we deleted the hidden item from the right hand side. We click on Import and we can go to our Chrome passwords we exported earlier and open those. And those passwords will now appear here in our list. So that's how you import passwords into Google Chrome without having to use a Google account. This method, again, will work on any workstation using Google Chrome that has saved passwords.